Super defined, fine natural curls usually means scalpy and thin looking hair. I don't know about y'all, but I'm not really trying to look like that. So if you guys are liking this look, then keep on watching. Hey Curlfriend crew, and welcome to another episode of Fine Natural Hair Rocks with your girl, Lavinia Latham. Now, if you're new to Fine Natural Hair Rocks, welcome to the Curlfriend crew. If you haven't subscribed yet and you want to be a part of our Curlfriend crew, then definitely go ahead and hit up the subscribe button as well as the notification bell so that you never ever miss another video. How can you make your fine natural hair look thicker using braid outs? Don't worry sis, I'm here to help you. Number one, you want to reduce your use of styling tools. Hair tools rip fine natural hair out. The more you use tools, the more you will rip your strands out. So on wash day, when you're getting ready to prep your hair for your braid out, what you want to do is you want to make sure that you're using your styling tools as little as possible. So perhaps your detangling session means detangling your hair once and then immediately doing your braid out right after. You don't want to be detangling your hair numerous times because the more you detangle your hair is the more chances you give it to break off. Number two, use lightweight products. For this fine natural hair braid out, I was able to use lightweight products at every single stage of my hair wash day. So very quickly, I went in with my Oyen Handmade Hairdo, which is a leave-in. Secondly, I then went in with my Twisted Definition from Curls Dynasty. These products were able to give me the hold, to give me the moisture that I would need without weighing down my strands. Because the more you weigh your strands down is the more in which your hair is going to be really flat and it's not going to look thicker. Don't be afraid of the Afro pick. Go in with your Afro pick. So once you've gone in, you've created your braid out and you want your braid out to look fly, you want it to look thick, you want it to really stand to attention, don't be afraid to just go on in with your pick. And it's just standing to attention. Isn't fine natural hair amazing? 4, refrain from overstretching your hair. If you overstretch your hair, this is the most likely opportunity for your hair to look a lot thinner and to have a lot less thickness. So avoid overstretching your hair by just going in as minimally as possible. So perhaps try styling your hair on freshly washed hair using the lightweight products that I had initially in the previous tip stated. So you don't want to be stretching your hair and then stretching it again because that's what leads to limp looking hairstyles. Girlfriend, has that ever happened to you? I know it's happened to me. I know you've been there where you've overstretched your curls and now there's nothing to do except to wash it out. If that's ever happened to you, let me know in the comment box below and I'll be sure to respond because I want to know how you've dealt with it. Were you able to then wash your hair and just start fresh, or were you able to somehow, some way bring those curls? Are you liking this so far? If you're liking it, go ahead and give a big thumbs up. And if you're not liking it, go ahead and smash the thumbs down button as well too. I want to know if I'm answering your questions. I want to know if I'm making content that's very helpful for you and your fine natural hair journey, whether it's positive or whether it's constructive criticism. If you're liking Fine Natural Hair Rocks so far and you want to be a member of the Curlfriend crew, then absolutely take this opportunity to go ahead and hit up the subscribe button. If you're really loving Fine Natural Hair Rocks, please feel free to share this with another Curlfriend. The more information, the better, and the more of us in the Curlfriend crew, the more opportunities for us to really learn and share and grow along with each other. So Curlfriends, I've got another question for you. What tip did you like the most? And did you learn something new from this video? Let me know in the comment box below. I absolutely love connecting with you. I love talking to you. I love DMing you. I love messaging you in the curl chat, the Curlfriend crew comment box below. I just love it all. For those of you who don't know, I'm actually on Instagram. My Instagram is at Fine Natural Hair Rocks, and I'm also on Facebook as well too as Fine Natural Hair Rocks. So let's continue the conversation. In case you didn't know, I post brand new episodes every Monday and Friday between 8 p.m. and 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. Bye! Mwah.